Hi, this is the professor, and today we're going to talk about finding the exact values of a trigonometric expression using identities. Now, with this exercise, we're not going to use any calculators because we're going to try to calculate the values by using and finding the trigonometric identities. However, for A, let's talk about tangent 25 degrees minus sine 25 degrees divided by the cosine of 25 degrees. And if you notice here, sine theta over cosine theta is an actual quotient identity, isn't it? So that quotient identity is represented by what? Tan for this one. So if we write this out and say tangent 25 degrees minus tangent 25 degrees, we have found our value of to be what? 0. So showing this and doing this is very important because you're actually proving that sine of 25 degrees divided by cosine of 25 degrees is tangent 25 degrees according to the quotient identity for the trigonometric expressions. Now, let's do another problem. Let's look at B. Cotangent 25 degrees minus the cosine of 25 degrees divided by the sine of 25 degrees. Look at this right here. This is another quotient identity. And this is represented by cotangent. So cotangent of 25 degrees minus cotangent of 25 degrees is also 0 as well. Fantastic. Let's do another problem. Look at sine squared 25 degrees plus cosine squared 25 degrees. Doesn't that sound familiar? Doesn't that look familiar from the last video? This is the Pythagorean theorem identity. With sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is always equal to what? 1. So this problem will have a solution of 1. Let's try some more. If we go to secant squared 13 degrees minus tangent squared 13 degrees, seems rather confusing. But if you look very closely, this is another Pythagorean theorem identity. Now, if theta is equal to 13 degrees, then by the Pythagorean theorem identity, tan squared theta plus 1 is equal to secant squared theta. However, we're going to take negative tan squared theta to both sides, leaving 1 is equal to what? Secant squared theta minus tan squared theta. So for this particular problem, the solution, again, is 1. Do you see this? Your professors and teachers and educators will expect the students to be able to memorize and know these identities very, very well. We're going to go over some more identities. We're going to go over some more trigonometry. And so just stay tuned for more videos, and we'll see you really, really, really soon.